Hello Canvas users, this is Marie Henderson. In this video we're going to look at using an iframe code to add additional content to your Canvas courses. So iframe codes can be pasted into any of the rich content editors that are available in Canvas. So you can do this on pages, on assignments, you can do it within a calendar event or a discussion board, anywhere you find the rich content editor. So to begin with, I'm going to show you on a page. We're going to navigate here to Pages and then View All Pages. And I'm going to click plus New Page. I've created a Wakelet collection that I want to share with my students in Canvas. So I'm going to come here to the Wakelet collection and click the three dots here at the top and select Embed. Some options appear over here in the menu at the left. I can choose the layout for my Wakelet. I can decide which customized options are going to be included. I prefer to include all of these. You can set the maximum height if you're so inclined, but I have found that it generates just fine without editing that. And if you scroll down here to the bottom, you can click to copy the embed code. And then back over here on your Canvas page, you give it a name. And then here in the Rich Content Editor, I want to switch over to the HTML editor. And then I can paste, Control-V, the iframe code right here into the Rich Content Editor. And then when I scroll down here to the bottom and click Save and Publish, my Wakelet collection is now going to load right here on my Canvas page. The students can scroll through it. They can click on the links that are available. Any of the resources I have shared through this Wakelet will be available to them right here in Canvas. Another example of how to use iframe codes would be with content you've built in Adobe Spark. So I have open here an Adobe Spark page that I created, and I want to share it with my students in Canvas. Maybe you're just looking for a new way to share content with your students. Maybe you're flipping the learning in some way and having students work on their own to master some content knowledge before doing some sort of project or collaborative activity. Whatever the case may be, an Adobe Spark page or video can be a great way to share information with students. So I'm going to click Share and then Publish and Share Link. And when this loads, I'm going to copy the URL here at the top, and I'm going to use this iframe generator to get my iframe code. So here in the iframe generator, I can give my iframe code a name if I'm so inclined, but this is fine the way it is. The width of your Canvas page is approximately 800 pixels, and then you can determine the height of the project here. I would go with 600 or 700. You can look at it before you actually load it, so you can change it later if you want to. You can preview it before you use it, so you can change those figures if you're so inclined. Since this is an Adobe Spark page, I want it to be scrollable, so I want to click Yes here on the scroll bar. I'm going to leave the border, and then I'm going to paste the URL from my Adobe Spark page here to the iframe URL box, and then I can click Preview to see if it loads okay. It looks pretty good, and it scrolls appropriately, and I can close this tab and come back over here to click Generate on the iframe generator site. Click Copy It to copy this iframe code. And then back over here in Canvas, I can add a new page. Again, I could add this to an assignment or a discussion board, wherever I have that rich content editor. So this Adobe Spark page is titled Create to Learn, so I'm going to title my Canvas page that as well. Switch to the HTML editor, paste in this iframe code, and click Save and Publish. And now here in my Canvas course, I have embedded my Adobe Spark page, and it's available for my students to access. Last but not least, I'll show you how to do the same thing with an Adobe Spark video. Again here, if I click Share and I copy the URL, over here in the iframe generator, my video width 800 is fine, but I probably don't quite want to go 700. I think 600 is a little better for videos. For a video, we don't need the scroll bar, so I'm going to turn that off, but the border is fine. And then here in the iframe URL box, I'm going to paste in the URL for my video. I'm going to click Preview to make sure it turns out okay. That looks good. So I'll close the tab, come here and click Generate to get the iframe code, click to copy it, and then here in Canvas, I will again grab another page and title it, switch to the HTML editor, paste in that code, and click save and publish. And so now here on my Canvas page is my Adobe Spark video, which my students can play to further their learning in my Canvas course. As always, if you have questions or you need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks and have a great day.